promotion for some time now, and looking at how things are going, it's not to the best to my ability. So that I thought of coming in to change the way things are being done. That is the main reason why I have kind of ushered myself to be the president of GB. Looking at how things are going currently, or previously, for now there's no GB. One, when they're organizing fight, the way it's organized is not the best. Looking at trainers, boxers, coming to medicals and all those stuff, it's not well done. So it is my prayer that as I'm taking the Lord to become the GBA president, I'll try and streamline all this very things to be done properly. We've been seeing every now and then that boxing is not supposed to be centered only in Accra. Believing there are talents all over the sister regions of Ghana. But here's the case, we are not kind of tapping it. So it is my wish that if everything goes as expected, the first thing to do is to make sure that we liaise with the National Sports Authority and then try and scout for talent across the regions by sending coaches, coaches, and then again old boxers to go in there and look for some talents. Boxing is something that can generate a lot of revenue for this country. In time past, we all know how Azuma Nelson and then Mortey and the others were doing their best to kind of lift the image of Ghana to the world stage. Today, few of them have done it. Agriko, Joshua Mortey, and some of the boxers have done it. But it is not very encouraging. It was something that if I should have the nod, I'll make sure those things are put to the right place. But be able to qualify to fight a Commonwealth. And it's something that within my first 100 days at the scene, we'll make sure these things come to pass. I will have a good relation with all the international bodies so that we can be able to communicate and do things right with them. Again, I'm very key on the boxers ranking. Whenever fight is finished, within a week, boxers ranking has to come out. Again, boxers pace is very dear to me. When fight is being done, at the end of the day, being a promoter, I pay boxers right after fight. And I expect all promoters to have that in mind, that when we start, every promoter that promotes a fight, before possible, they can hand over to the GBA. Right after the fight, everybody pays, or it goes through the bank. I earlier stated that the foundation of becoming a professional is to look at the amateur. How do we breed our amateur to go to the Olympic and all those stuff? We have to kind of grow them very well, so that at the end of the day, when they go to Olympic and all those stuff, they can excel. And through that, they will come and definitely they might get a manager, or the Ghana at large will also recognize the person who went for the Olympic. And through that, I'm sure managers and good managers can tap into them, manage them, and me being the president of something, I'll make sure I give my best by advising, so that at the end of the day, we will be able to grow those people to the best of our ability.